Hello everyone, here we've got Motorola Edge 30 Ultra, and let me show you how to change keyboard language. So at first, let's open messages or any other area where you can input some text. So here you can notice the current language. To change it, click on settings icon, select languages, and click on add keyboard. And here you will notice several keyboards, actually a lot of keyboards, and you can smoothly pick the one that you wish to apply. Let me just scroll all the way down so you can notice how long the list is. And then you can just choose the language that you want to apply. Tap on done. Now let's remove unnecessary language, and when you go back you will be able to see this brand new language. So that would be all. So you can change keyboard language. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.